The Big Bang Theory explains how the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago, but a question that continues to puzzle scientists and philosophers alike is, what was there before the Big Bang? How can something emerge from nothing? Today we'll explore the mysteries behind the origin of the universe, the concept of nothing, and what could have existed before the Big Bang. First, let's briefly recap the Big Bang Theory. It suggests that the universe began as an extremely hot, dense point, often described as a singularity. This singularity then expanded rapidly, creating the universe as we know it. This theory is widely accepted because it explains the observable expansion of the universe, the cosmic microwave background radiation, and the abundance of light elements like hydrogen and helium. Before the Big Bang, the laws of physics as we understand them didn't apply. Space and time as we know them didn't exist, which raises a profound question: what was there before? In our everyday lives, we think of nothing as the absence of objects. But in physics, nothing is far more complex. Quantum theory tells us that even in a vacuum, what we consider to be nothing isn't truly empty. There are quantum fluctuations, virtual particles, and a vast sea of potential energy. So even the emptiest vacuum in space is filled with activity at the quantum level. This leads us to one of the biggest questions in cosmology. Could the universe have emerged from this quantum nothingness? Some scientists think it's possible that these fluctuations sparked the Big Bang, creating everything from nothing. Another theory that could explain what came before the Big Bang is the concept of eternal inflation. This theory suggests that the rapid expansion of the universe didn't just happen once, but is part of a larger, ongoing process. Our universe could be one of many bubble universes forming in a vast multiverse. Eternal inflation posits that before our Big Bang, there was a phase of exponential expansion that never stopped. Certain areas, like our universe, may stop inflating and develop into stable regions, while others continue to inflate. This would mean the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything, just the beginning of our local universe. Some scientists believe that the universe may not have a beginning or end but is part of a cyclic process. The cyclic universe theory proposes that the universe goes through infinite cycles of expansion and contraction, essentially a Big Bang followed by a big crunch, and then a new expansion. Key fact: in this model, the universe could be eternal, with each cycle resetting the cosmos. This theory suggests that before the Big Bang, there was a previous universe that collapsed into a singularity, which then triggered a new expansion. Quantum gravity is an emerging field that seeks to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, providing a framework for understanding the universe at its most fundamental level. Some approaches, like loop quantum gravity, suggest that the universe's beginning may not be a singularity, but a bounce from a previous state. Key fact: loop quantum gravity theorizes that space-time has a granular structure at the smallest scales, which prevents the formation of singularities. Instead of a Big Bang singularity, we could have experienced a big bounce, where a previous universe contracted and rebounded into the one we inhabit. One of the most mind-bending aspects of this question is the nature of time itself. According to general relativity, time is intertwined with space, forming what we call space-time. Before the Big Bang, when space didn't exist, neither did time, at least in the way we understand it. Key fact: this leads some to argue that the question, what was before the Big Bang, may be meaningless because before implies time. Without time, there can be no before. It's possible that the Big Bang marked not just the beginning of space but the creation of time itself. This brings us to the philosophical implications. If the universe came from nothing, what does that mean for our understanding of existence? Philosophers have debated this for centuries. Some argue that nothing doesn't need a cause. Others believe there must be a reason or force behind the creation of the universe. In physics, many scientists lean towards the idea that the laws of quantum mechanics allow for the spontaneous creation of universes from nothing. But this doesn't fully answer the question of why these laws exist in the first place. Could there be a creator? For some, the idea of a creator or higher power is a possible explanation for what existed before the Big Bang. The notion of a divine force creating the universe from nothing aligns with many religious and philosophical teachings. While science doesn't typically invoke a creator to explain the universe, the question remains open for debate. Science and religion often approach the question of the universe's origin from different perspectives. Some physicists like Stephen Hawking argued that the universe could self-create due to the laws of physics, while others believe that the existence of laws themselves implies the presence of a designer. The limits of human understanding. In the end, the question of what came before the Big Bang may be beyond the reach of human understanding, at least with our current knowledge. As physicists continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, new discoveries could eventually shed light on the nature of existence before the Big Bang. But for now, the origin of the universe remains one of the greatest unanswered questions. Our understanding of the universe has come a long way, but we are still limited by the tools and theories available to us. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize how much we still don't know. So, what was there before the Big Bang? Was it nothing, a previous universe, or something beyond our comprehension? While we may not have definitive answers yet, the journey to understand the universe's origins is far from over. Whether through science, philosophy, or a mix of both, humanity will continue to search for the ultimate truth behind existence. If you enjoyed this exploration into one of the universe's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on science, space, and philosophy. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.